Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Eyebrow.
They're coming already.
They will be backside.
You see them at the back?
Yeah.
Yes.
Backside.
Big one. Bubble.
The bubbles.
Yeah, she bubble is very dangerous. Oh, I think bubble.
Bring the baby.
Yeah, but bubble is very dangerous. See the bubble, please. Oh Lord, yeah. Kavi? What dangerous?
Oh, look at Bubbles. So the reason why we call her Bubbles,
You mom.
they're fighting over that food.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Mm.
So the reason why we call her Bubbles is because of that thing that's on her
Yes,
skin.
yes, skin.
So it's like a bubble on her skin.
There's coming more.
See, whole mud. Ata to ba?
Yeah, big ones of them don't actually sort of make them nervous because he's very close to them, so I'm scared they might do something crazy on his car.
Which one is Stinky?
Stinky is not here at the moment. So the matriarch is coming right now. So that's her. So she's the one that influences the whole herd. If she starts feeling like, hey, I don't want you guys here anymore, then she's gonna start attacking, and the rest of them are gonna start getting violent as well. But I like that Jay Junior is
Jay
there,
Junior.
so he's actually gonna keep them in check from doing
Tiny
anything
team
stupid.
also there. Tiny team.
No, Tiny Tim is not here
It's
yet.
not here, no? Only Stinky.
Yeah, Aaron, what's your lock at the moment? Okay, copy. I think it's safe for me to pull out of the lock, so you can start making your way. And maybe best visual will be here at the junction of Nisi and just your Nisi and also North South Main Junction. You see what he's doing. He's like
Bubble. Bubble is staring at.
Yeah, they're very close to each other,
she's
so
staring.
I don't want to start it right now because my dog was
Wait.
I don't want to fight in here. So I'm
Yeah,
just gonna stop
maybe
a little
fighting
bit just
start.
So that once they move up a little bit, I can move out of the lock. You see what she's doing?
Yeah,
Head high,
head high.
yes,
I'm big.
open.
She's showing I'm big than you.
I'm the main. She's a bubble. Bubble is dangerous, bubble.
You can't start the baby.
No.
Let's check the baby.
Yeah. Eyebrow.
The baby is always with the matriarch.
Middle.
Another one is getting a sniff of us,
Mm.
and we'll be like, what the hell's happening here?
See, bubble. What she's doing. See.
Alright. How about that, guys?
Great.
Awesome. Eyebrow. Ata.
We're going, Mama. We're not coming to you.
Wait. We are going. No. They were going.
Junior is still there.
The thing is that the
Yeah.
matriarch is still like investigating
But
his car right there.
Yeah, is it?
There she goes.
Yeah,
Lovely
she
girl.
is good. See? Bubble. Oh. Oh, she's walking.
Matriarch is the only one that stresses me out.
Yeah.
At least with her out of his car,
Is he
that's the
again?
best news.